Want to replace the turbo brush of your vacuum cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new turbo brush. Step 1. Remove the old turbo brush. The turbo brush sits in the vacuum cleaner nozzle. Unclip it from the telescopic tube. On the vacuum cleaner head is a button. Press it and take out the turbo brush. Step 2. Insert the new turbo brush. You can now place the new turbo brush in the place of the old one. Make sure you press it firmly until you hear a click. You have replaced the turbo brush and the vacuum cleaner is ready to use again.